In the era of information overload, distinguishing truth from falsehood is crucial. Fake news spreads rapidly, impacting society and decision making. We will explore how machine learning empowers us to combat misinformation. Talking about the dataset, we will be using publicly available dataset that is uploaded on Kaggle. First of all, go to the Kaggle and create a notebook. You import the dataset on your notebook. Go to the Add Data and paste the URL there that is given in the description and click on the plus sign. You can see that your dataset is loaded. Click on it and you can see there are two CSV files. To use them, import the pandas library and create two data frames to read the CSV files. Go to fake.csv and click on copy file path and paste the path there. Do this for true.csv also. After running some common data frame methods and attribute, we see that both have common column names with no missing values, but the number of rows in fake df is relatively higher. Now we need to merge those CSV files. If we merge them as it is, both the dataset would be stacked on the top of each other. And if we feed it to the model may not know that which one is true news or which one is fake. So before merging, we need to add a new column on both of them, where 1 represents values from true CSV and 0 from fake CSV. Now finally we can merge those data frames. Columns title, subject and date are dropped because they are irrelevant for fake news detection. The focus is on text column. Now we need to pre-process the text data. The text might contain URLs, HTML tags, non-word characters, punctuations, numbers, and unwanted elements. We also need to lowercase them. To do that, we create a function. This line converts all text to lowercase. Before moving further, we need to import two other libraries. The read library enables powerful text pattern matching and manipulation through regular Python expressions. The next one is the string library, which provides a collection of useful constants and functions for text and string manipulation in Python. Now let's move on. This line removes text within square bracket. This replaces all non-word characters with space. This line removes URLs or website links from the text. This line removes HTML tags from the text. This removes all the punctuation marks. This removes new line characters. This line removes any words or combinations with numbers from the text. And finally, we return the text. This line applies the pre-process function to each element in the text column of the data frame, performing text pre-processing on all the texts in the column. Now we store features on X and labels on Y. Now finally you can do train test split. To do so, import train test split from model selection of sklearn and apply it. Now we import tf-idf vectorizer from scikit-learn. It basically converts text data into numerical form using the term frequency inverse document frequency method, which assigns weights to words based on the importance in the document, while considering their frequency across the entire dataset. Creates tf-idf vectorizer instance for text data. They hold tf-idf vectors of training and test data after applying vectorization. Input logistic regression, create model instance and feed it to training data. Now repeat this process with random forest classifier. Predict levels for test data using logistic regression model and random forest classifier model. Calculating their accuracy scores. It shows that random forest classifier is relatively better. Now we use this model to predict on user inputted text. Now we define a function that takes user input, pre-processes it, converts it to a vector, and predicts its truthfulness using a logistic regression and a random forest model. The answer functions print the prediction. Now we finally end our project by running predict news to interact with users. Thank you for watching the video.